Well, this is going to be a lot nicer than this pile of wood we have here. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we're doing a review of this firewood rack with a cover, which is going to be awesome because it means the dogs aren't going to be able to try to get inside and the critters aren't going to be able to try to get inside all of this firewood. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. It's just random firewood for our backyard fire pit and things like that. The dogs are certain that there is a mouse or something inside of this pile. There is not. But we're taking and we're stacking it all on this rack. This rack is made of metal. It did have to be assembled. It's pretty sturdy. Boy, I didn't realize this has like vents on it and stuff. So it's got vents on it, so your wood's not going to get all gross underneath there, which is nice. The nice thing about it having a cover is when it rains, everything is going to stay nice and dry. That's definitely going to look a lot nicer. And then when we're all done, we'll show you that you can take that cover and it covers all of it and you can zipper it shut. And then you guys will stay out of the wood pile. Yeah, you'll stay out of the wood pile because the critters like to live in there. Hopefully it'll stop the critters from living in here too. What, you think they're just going to come up from the bottom?
Yeah, I just say you're building them a nice little shelter to stay in.
They'll be safer though. The dogs won't be able to stick their face in it like they could on the old one. So might not be a bad thing. All right, we have the rack pretty much full. That's pretty good. Put it on down, zip it on up, and now everything will stay nice and dry. The dogs are going crazy. But now everything will stay nice and dry. There goes the dogs. There's little clips on the bottom you can clip around the legs, and it kind of helps it so that if it does get windy and this does get loose, it's not going to come flying off of here, which is pretty nice. And then, like I said, I do love that it has the vents on the side to let air flow through. So in conclusion, this is going to be really nice. It's going to keep all of our wood dry. It's going to keep everything all in one place. Like I said, you can clip those at the bottom to make sure that the top doesn't blow off. It has these nice vents on the side. This is actually really nice. I think this will also keep my dogs out of the dang wood pile. So if you guys are looking for a nice rack for stacking your firewood that comes with a really nice cover, we recommend this.